Next, we would like to call upon Mr. Ritesh Tandon, somebody from California, District 17. Ritesh Tandon is a US congressional candidate from, of course, District 17. The grandson of a freedom fighter. Ritesh has instilled appreciation for freedom and independence, and with the values of hard work, service, and above all, responsibility for ourselves, our community, and our future. After 2 decades in the Silicon Valley, Indian American engineer and businessman Ritesh Tandon is running for Congress in South Bay. Ritesh served as an executive committee member of Sankara Eye Foundation, which has established 9 hospitals to eradicate curable blindness. He raised millions of dollars for the hospitals and helped select the site for one of them. He also served as a volunteer and then president for 5 years of UPMA, an organization which supports education and childcare for poor kids. He is challenging an incumbent, Ro Khanna, who is serving as a national co-chair of Bernie Sanders campaign. So we have Ritesh Tandon, who was born in UP but brought up in Gujarat, represents the diverse feature that India has, the diversity that India has, and the unity that it represents. So thank you so much, Ritesh, for your time for the community and service to the nation. We would love for you to now address the audience. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Khushbu, for the great introduction. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, based on your location. And thank you, US Impact, as well as all the board members, Badriji, for giving us the opportunity to present in this platform. And you guys are doing fantastic work. Myself, Ritesh Tandon, I'm running for Congress from District 17. This includes Fremont, Newark, San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Milpitas, Alviso, and Cupertino. First of all, I'd like to wish you all happy Indian Independence Day. In Hindi, in my own language, आप सभी को स्वतंत्र दिवस की शुभकामनाएं. Independence Day is a day not only to engage in the celebration, but also to remember each one of us who sacrificed to make this day possible. This is a day where all the sacrifice of the freedom fighter we remember, and because of them, we have seen that day. And I can tell you, my grandfather, who was a freedom fighter, I have never seen him, or I don't remember him because I was very young when he passed away. But all his stories, they taught me the value of freedom and liberty. In this Bay Area, I came here 22 years ago for my education. But the first thing of what I started working for the non-profit organization, helping the community, helping the people, helping children, especially those many children right here in the Bay Area. Even though we are superpower, some of the children, they were not allowed to celebrate their birthdays because they belong to certain caste and religion. And this was America. After looking all those things, I convert very hard. And I started focusing how we can work while doing my education and while working. First of all, I can tell you, I'm so grateful for the opportunities this country has given me, that beside my education and the technical work, I was able to focus on the communities and help them. Today, 150,000 surgeries we do for the underserved community and the people. 600,000 children every year we fund for the education. But at the same time, while looking into all these things, I see my opponent, he has gone completely left. Today, this beautiful Silicon Valley, where the people, they are enjoying the life and American dream, the things have started going very left, like a deep socialist state. And this is the time, this is our country, we have to wake up. We have to fight. And I can say that this is another fight, like our freedom fighters, those who have done for the independence of India. This is similar fight. We have to bring back our Republican Party right here in the California and across the United States. During this, there is only one difference. When my grandfather fought, Many of his colleagues lost their life. But today, we need your time, we need your money, we need your support, and we need all your help to remove the people who are creating the socialist agenda and how they are capturing the mind of the people and they are making you dependent on you for your life. Today, America is a superpower. I can tell you the way the America is going and helping every country in the world. We have done amazing job. No country have done this thing. And we need to continue to do this journey. While going in this journey, we need to ensure that the illegal immigration, which is undocumented workers, the socialist agenda, all the homelessness issues what we have, the companies who are leaving the Silicon Valley today, the Prop 19, which is a race-based discrimination and dividing the society just for the votes. Everything need to be stopped. And that's the whole reason why I started this journey. And I said, at least somewhere we should start, put the seed in and bring California back to the Republican state. However, I cannot do this alone. I can tell you that if all of you talk with 10 of your friends, show them the value of the Republican Party, show them the value, what changes it will bring to the life of the people, show them how the people who are Americans right here, those who are suffering, we can improve their life. We can make this world a very beautiful place to live. And I can promise you that I, Ritesh Tandon, congressional candidate from District 17, I'll continue to fight for the American people, for American innovation, which is stolen by the many people across the world, and ensure that we stay competitive, we stay number one, we continue to help everyone, and we continue to grow together. Thank you so much once again, US Impact, for giving me the opportunity to speak. And once again, my website is www.tandonforcongress.com. Once again, wish every Indian here happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind. And let's fight another Independence Day fight. And November 3rd, all of us will celebrate this Independence Day, where we'll get rid of radical Democrats. Thank you so much. Thank you.
That was quite a passionate speech. Thanks for addressing our platform and all the best to you. Thank you so much.